The Tourism Readiness and Recovery Committee has established protocols that are responsive to our new normal. One of those responses is the Clean and Pristine certification program that has been implemented in hotels across the country. Today, we highlight the Sandyport Resort and their ongoing efforts to keep their guests safe.
What we've done was we implemented the plexiglass at the front desk. We went ahead and we made, before all of our staffs came back, that they sat through our intense COVID training. On property, you'll see signage. We also put hand sanitizing stations all about. We also wanted to make our guests be aware of the social distance practices. So you'd see, if you walk about the property, you'll see those signages out and visible to all guests.
Ensuring that physical distancing protocols are met, Arnett explains how the resort's physical layout lends to an additional level of safety.
We're stretched over a large campus. We don't have elevators. We actually have exterior entrances to rooms, so everyone, if you have a 3-bedroom, you actually can enter through different doors. You don't have to go through all of the same doors. Also, our kitchen facilities, you don't have to eat at the restaurant. We encourage it, but if you don't want to, because you're more cautious, you can prepare your meals.
If you're wondering why you should choose Sandyport Resort for your next getaway or staycation, General Manager Vernon Moss shares the details.
We normally refer to ourselves as a family island property in Nassau, and we're well popular with not only our international guests, but our local guests, because how the layout of our rooms, which has all the cooking facilities you need. We have 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, or 3-bedroom configuration. So you book, come here, just like your home. All you need to do is bring your clothing and your food, and you're good to go.
To find out more about the Clean and Pristine certification program and the full list of compliant resorts, visit us at bahamas.com/tourism-reopening. I'm Mercedes Demerit, and this is Tourism Today.